Ninh explains, overcome nervousness, control your nerves, fear and anxiety. We all get nervous from time to time, and we've all been in situations whereby we've panicked just a little bit. Maybe you're asking somebody out on a date. Maybe if you're not busy, of course, if maybe you want to go out sometime. Learning how to drive.
Oh my god, I'm going 7 miles an hour! Ah!
Or just about to make a presentation in front of people. In fact, let's take a look at this guy and see his thought process. Hi, I'm here to talk about rugby league.
Oh my god, this is going badly. I completely forgot what I was saying already. What do I say?
Rugby league was invented in 1895 and...
oh my god, there's so many people looking at me. This is going badly. Oh my god, my mind's gone black. What do I do? Stall!
I'm sorry guys, I'm not feeling too well.
Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh dear. People know I'm shaking. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's nice. But oh my god, this is going badly. What do I do? Oh my god, I've just wet myself. Okay, need to get out of it. Get out of it. Run away now, you fool.
I'm sorry, I've got to go. Yeah, he didn't do too good. And the reason why is because he let his fears and his nervousness overcome him and basically sabotage his entire thought process. The more bad stuff he thought, the worse it got. Look guys, it's human nature to be nervous. And in fact, it's actually an ingrained human response that we have inbuilt with us to protect us from harm. Traditionally, this was used to protect us from things such as lions and tigers and bears. Oh my! And in the modern world, it protects us from the dangers of driving, dating, and presentations. Being nervous has the downside of overwhelming our feelings with the worst case scenario. And this kind of paralyzes us from thinking clearly. It sabotages our thought process and it messes with our brains. So if you do get nervous, just remember 3 things. Number 1, it's perfectly normal to be nervous. It's actually okay. Being nervous actually helps us to prepare for what's ahead. Number 2, take a second to analyze what you're actually afraid of. Chances are, once you realize what you're actually afraid of, it actually lessens the feeling of nervousness. Number 3, it's never going to be as bad as you think it will be. I mean, seriously, guys, what's the worst that could happen?
I'm gonna die.
At 7 miles an hour?
I'm now going 11 miles an hour.
You know what? I think you're going to be just fine. Ninh, help! How do I combat nervousness? Combating nervousness takes 5 steps, and once you follow those 5 steps, your feelings of nervousness will pretty much just go away. Number 1, breathe. A lot of people forget to breathe when they're nervous, and this doesn't help because this increases our level of panic and tension. Don't! Take big deep breaths, guys. Take it slowly. Big deep breaths, calm ourselves down, and when we've got more oxygen in our brains and we're a bit more relaxed, we can actually think a bit more clearly. Number 2, close your eyes and imagine everything going well. What's the best case scenario? Close your eyes and try and come up with that in your brain. Imagine how well it can actually go instead of how badly it can go. Number 3, excitement. Let's replace those negative feelings of dread with feelings of excitement. Pretend that it's actually exciting, that you actually want to do this, that you actually want to confront this fear. Even if it's just a lie, it will help. Number 4, when in doubt, take it slowly. The worst thing that you can do at this point is go too fast and wreck it all, especially if you're driving. But in the case of something like presentations, stop often, pause, breathe, and carry on. There's nothing wrong with that. Number 5, if it doesn't work out the way you want to, then it's okay. Treat it as a learning experience for the next time. Chances are it's never going to be as bad as you ever think it is. Give those 5 steps a try the next time you come up to a situation where you're nervous, and notice how much of a difference it will make to you. If you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. You'll be able to download my free ebook right here shortly as of the 1st of May. And also follow me on social media right there. But guys, on a closing note, it's human nature to be nervous. Follow those 5 steps, take it easy, and watch your nervousness disappear. Let me know how you get on, comment section below.
I'm now going 11 miles an hour. Ah!
You know, I laugh and joke about this, but there was a time where in my actual first presentation, I was actually like that, so I acted that quite naturally.